Hi everyone. So in this recording I will be talking about how you can find the labor force participation according to the usual status for each state as well as for union territory. So probably this is the first time when you will be seeing me recording with my video cam on, and somebody has told me that you should be showing your face as it brings credibility, and I'm not sure how it can bring credibility to an educational video. Anyways, maybe you can tell me in the comment section, or I don't know. Let's open my stata, and I have opened my master data set, and I have all the variables here. And if you observe carefully, let me show you something. Okay. Hmm. So if you observe carefully, this is the table which we have created in the part 5 video. The first video after merging part I have created. So here it is social group, then sector, then gender. Now come back here, 123, same thing. The only thing is instead of social group, we have state, same sector, gender, and another filter which they have put is age group. They have taken 15 to 29. Now can we do it? Yes, definitely. Now let me open my this do file. I have hit enter. Sorry, I have hit the command run and it is running. Let's wait. Yes, it has finished. Now, if you remember, tab, and if I write social group, where it is, now it is giving a sense. I mean, what each code means because we have defined the label, right? For a state also, we have to define the label. But for a state, since there are too many variables, not variables, but too many codes, so we may find it very hectic to write for each code. So what we will be doing, we will be taking help of the Excel. If you remember, this is the data layout file which we have downloaded in the part 2 video, if I remember correctly. So where we have to reach, we want something that 01 space, then Jammu and Kashmir, then again space, 02 Himachal Pradesh, and likewise it should appear so that I can copy paste in Stata, right? Okay. Firstly, I have to merge these two with the gap in between. So I can simply use concatenate function. But before that, while naming, in most of the application, be it Stata, be it R, be it Python, for the naming convention, you cannot have special characters in the name, at least starting from special characters. And you cannot have spaces in between. Maybe you can keep this and let's try that. Control H for find, and I want to remove the space. So simply press tab and then give underscore. Okay, and replace all. It has made 18 changes. Then what I can do is concatenate is equal to concatenate. And this is my text one, comma. I want a space in between. Now again this, and then again a space I want. Okay, hit enter. Now double tap here. It will work. I mean, the formula will be repeated for all. There is one visible gap here, but there is also invisible gap here. Okay, I will simply select all these, Control C. You can select any empty cell, Control Alt V. Once again, Control Alt V, then this dialog box will appear. You have to select values and then select transpose, hit OK, done. Now simply I will be copying it, Control C, come here. Let us firstly rename it, rename, okay, this state variable as state. Okay, all right. Now I want to define label. Label define this state, and I want 01 as Jammu and Kashmir likewise. Okay, invalid syntax. Okay, hmm. Okay, so stata is not taking this and also. Okay, so what I can do is I have simply undo all the steps. Okay, Control H, remove and this and with this and replace all. 5 replacements have been done, and I will keep this so that you should not be making any mistake. Okay, and I want to remove this space, simply one space bar, and I want to remove it by underscore. Replace all. There have been 13 changes which have been made. Okay, maybe I can remove this dot also. Okay, now concatenate is equal to this, then this. Okay. All right. Control C, any cell, Control Alt V as values and as transpose. Okay, Control C. Now here label define this state. I want it as okay. Now it has been defined. Now, since it is a string variable, we need to first de-string before assigning the values. Okay, so state, firstly de-string, then this variable state, comma, replace. Okay, now label value. Okay, and this has been derived from here. Okay, now if I do this tab and here state, now you can see now it is in readable format, right? Now what do we want? We want labor force participation in percentage. Okay, so we need something of mean sort, same as we have done in the part 5 video, right? Dogs are barking right now. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Anyways, that doesn't matter. So firstly I have to create a one variable, labor force percentage, gen labor, maybe since in the daytime I don't get a quiet environment. So, yes, is equal to labor force into 100. Okay, now it has been generated. Now I want table and I want what state, then I want based on what gender, then I want based on sector, then I want weight. Okay, Now what was the condition was also given, so they want age 15 to 29, right? So what I can do is, where is my stata? If age is greater than equal to 15 and age is less than equal to 29, now because I have to find the mean, so I will write C mean and this label for percentage, and then I want this in row column format for format, and this should be what, percentage 9 point. I want upon I want till one decimal point, that's why I'm putting 1. If I am putting 2 3, then it will give likewise. Okay, and then I want this. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now you will say there is no value for the Chandigarh. Even in the PLFS report, let me show you, they have mentioned for Chandigarh, entire area has been considered as urban for this survey. Okay, now let's move to Andhra Pradesh. Where is my Andhra Pradesh? Where it is? Here it is. Okay, this is for, okay, there is no rural plus urban, but we can make it. Don't worry, we will for sure. Let me remove this windows. Okay, this is for rural 63.0, 33.6, 48.6. Okay, now what about this? Oh, why it is not moving? Okay, let me move like that. Hmm. Where were we? Where were we? We were here, right? 57.2. Yes, it's 57.2, 22.4, 39.3. All right. Now, what I can do is, let me first open my history panel. And if I want, then if I just remove this sector, okay, then it will give me for rural plus urban both. You can check for any, maybe for Himachal Pradesh. Let's go. This is my Himachal Pradesh, and this is what it is. So it's 68.9, 57.5, 63.3. Okay, now as an exercise you can do for maybe for 15 to 59 age, and also I would urge you to do for WPR, for worker population ratio, if you want to. Although, I mean, I'm assuming whosoever will be watching my video will be working on the PLFS, so if they need WPR, the video is already there in the part 5 itself, how you can code for the WPR. You can watch it. Thank you so much. And in the next video, maybe I will be recording for what? MPCE. Let's see. Thank you so much.